Hi, hello, good morning everyone. My name is Meera. Welcome to our YouTube channel Meera Veera. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Friends, today is 26th January, the Republic Day of our country. This day is a national festival of our country. On this day, our constitution come into force on 26 January 1950. Republic Day is important to us as Independence Day. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Our constitution is a largest written constitution in the whole world. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. India became a secular and democratic country. On this day, Republic Day is National Festival of India. Today, we are a great Republic Day. Republic means a country whose leader is a president, not a king or queen. This would not have been possible if our freedom fighter had not made nervous sacrifice for the independence of the country. I am proud that I am an Indian and I love you my India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.